the other issue to see what on earth is happening with the other side, and then we
Pinapainit pa lang. Pinapainit ang makina.
Yes. Got it. Everything's fine. That was my fault. Of course it was my fault. We got it back. T-4. Okay. Timeline. Let's talk about the timeline quickly. Day 1. We're going to have the launch. 8 minutes ride to space. And of course it will enter the orbit. Day 2 and 3. There will be a series of engine burns to raise the orbit. And also the operations with the upper stage and cabin conversion to space flight mode. So that will still take 2-3 days. Day 4, we're going to have the trans-lunar injection burn. So the burn, obviously, it will continue for another couple of days. And they will coast. They will start to coast towards the moon. So that's day 4 and 5. Day 6, there will be the closest approach to the moon. That's about 4,700 miles from surface. Flyby of the far side of the moon, and that will be obviously the farthest point from Earth, day 6. And then we have day 7 and to day 9. So 7, 8, 9, we're going to have the return trajectory with course correction burns. And finally, day 10, it will be technically 9.5, but they say day 10, the re-entry about 25,000 miles per hour.
10 days pala sila doon.
Splashdown in the Pacific Ocean just off the coast of San Diego. All right, let's quickly take you back to NASA.
There are the 4 RS-25s, 3 of them. Shuttle Heritage, 1 of them built from
pag umusok na yan, okay na.
Shuttle parts.
Yan.
And there you see them moving.
Tambutso. Pag bumuga ng apoy siguro yun.
Now we're going to start moving the power from both the upper stage and the lower stage of the rocket to internal, taking ground power away and now going to battery power. TLS is go for upper stage internal power.
Battery power.
Have a look at that.
Power is removed from the rocket's upper stage.
Maraming tinitingnan bago
milestone for the lower core stage coming up at T-1 minute 30 seconds. Right now, the 4-person Artemis2 crew is 248,000 miles.
4 katao ang laman.
If all goes well, they will fly by it in 6 days.
Artemis2. May isang babae, sa 4 babae ang isa.
All right, there's the rocket's core stage, which houses 3 flight computers, is now on its own power.
Almost 1 minute to go.
There's no more hold time because there's no more margin on these batteries. So we'd have to recycle back to T-10 to recharge if we had a hold.
One minute.
Right now, the rocket does not know what the T0 is. But coming up at T-minus 33 seconds, control shifts from the ground launch sequencer to the rocket's onboard autonomous launch sequencer, or ALS. The rocket will count itself down, but honor any
less than 1
holds
minute
that come from the
countdown
ground. Now, shortly after liftoff, Houston will take control of the rocket, and my colleague Gary Jordan will take over commentary.
30 seconds.
TLS, go for ALS. Great call out. The rocket is on its own. 4 brave explorers ready to ride the most powerful rocket NASA has ever launched. Sound suppression water is flowing.
15.
And here we go.
Yeah,
10,
countdown na.
9, 8, 7, RS-25 engines. 4, 3, 2,
Grabe ang buga ng apoy.
Booster ignition. And liftoff.
Yeah.
The crew of Artemis2
up and away. God bless.
Next great voyage begins.
Nawala. Ayun na.
Good roll pitch.
Roger, roll pitch.
Up and away.
Houston, now controlling the flight of integrity.
God bless your flight.
Integrity, AMT high.
Lakas, oh.
On time passing 30 seconds.
Lakas ang buga.
Integrity passes the alternate beacon. Target milestone. Mission Control Houston seeing good performance.
Baliwala sa kanila ang mahal ng gasolina. Ang fuel.
Traveling more than 1,200 miles per hour.
Milyon ang budget siguro niyan.